Good day, doctor. My name is Dez-Mond, matrix number 2987886, and today I'm gonna present about the critical analysis UX for elderly users for the HCI's human computer interactions individual assignment video. So introduction. So for the context is designing for the elderly users present a unique paradox. The technology need to be simple, but the design process achieve that the simplicity is incredibly complex. So today I am critically analyzing the UX strategy for case study 3, the fitness tracking app for elderly use. We are facing a strict set of constraints. The target audience is for 65 and older with varying tech literacy and a massive time crunch with only 8 week design sprint for the MVP. So and a limited budget of RM 150,000. These three constraints create a high pressure environment where the temptation is to cut corners on research or to save time. However, I will argue that for this demographic prioritizing accessibility over speed is the only way to success. So for the research is I have selected contextual inquiry. Why this is techniques is involving visiting the local senior centers, we have access to observe our users in natural environment as they attempt to manage their health. So this the common alternative here will be the online service, which which are faster and cheaper. However, I will argue that the service is maybe not so accurate for this specific context because they assume a level of digital comfort that our users may not have. Furthermore, the seniors often underreport physical limitations like tremors and poor sight due to embarrassment. By using the contextual inquiry, we can directly observe these physical struggles and leverage our part in gerontology consultant to interpret them. We are trading the speeds of survey for the validity of direct observations. So for the stage two prototyping, so moving to the ideation and prototype stage, I advocate for large format paper prototyping. This involves sketching the interface by hand on paper and test flow before writing any code. So the debate here is against high fidelity digital prototyping using tools like Figma. While digital prototype look impressive to investigators, but they are risky for an 8 week sprint. So high fidelity designs often look finished. We can imitate elder users and make them hesitate to give critical feedback because they fear breaking the app. So paper prototyping allow us to fail fast and cheap. So let us immediate verify if our font size meet the WCA WCAG accessibility standard without wasting our limit budget on development too early. So the stage three is testing. I select the moderate in-person usability testing. We utilize the five sessions available at the senior center. So the critical trade-off is here is reject the moderate remote testing, even though we have access to free tools like Maze. While remote testing is scalable and cost-effective, it also relies on users being able to set up the testing software themselves, giving our low tech literacy. So they would likely struggle to even start the test. So moderate in-person testing is superior because it allows the research to provide emotional support and distinguish between a usability error like a button being too small and a technical error, ensuring we get valid data despite the sample size. So in conclusion, the success in case study design team must resist the pressure to automate and rush. So we prioritize a contextual inquiry to see the unseen physical limitation. Paper prototyping is ensure the accessibility before coding. And moderate testing to support our user rather than confusing them with remote tools. This approach ensures deliver an MVP that is not just fast but actually functional for the seniors who need it. Thank you.